can you tell us a little about your company and your core products and equipments you're showcasing today here at IREE?
This is an Indian-based company. It is Sona Comstar, which is into railway business. So all our products are indigenously developed. So we have the majority of our product is brake system. Then we have suspension system and then comfort systems products. So what we have showcased today is majorly on the all across the product we have showcased. So we have locomotive brake system, which is designed and developed, both are from India. We have a very good facility of manufacturing PCBs, which is a bit rare. So we are producing it indigenously in-house in Faridabad. Then we have brake system for conventional coaches. Then we have comfort product like suspension, then the shock absorbers. So those are the products which are developing indigenously here and product. So our products are completely aligned with government initiative of Make in India. So it is not made in India, it's Make in India because we are all the products are being designed, developed, and of course manufactured in India. So it is completely aligning with the government initiative of Make in India.
Also, where do you see Indian Railways heading in next few years?
So Indian Railways particularly being shifted towards more comfortable journey on the train set type of systems. Earlier it is a conventional system of a loco hold. It's not that energy efficient. Now we are moving ahead towards energy efficient solutions. So the new means like the Vande Bharat train sets. The future is more like a Vande Bharat kind of a train sets. So government is working on it. So we are also aligning our product to the new platform which is being now in trend.